Hello everyone, my name is Ninad Zura Chaudhary. I am from class 7th A. Today I am going to give you some information about Tal Kerwa. Tal Kerwa is of 4 matras. It has 2 khandas of 2 matras. It has Tali on first matra and Kal on third matra. Tal Kerwa is used in semi-classical and light music. Tal Kerwa's bowl are dha, ge, na, ti, na, ka, din. I am going to show you Tal Kerwa's Vilambit and Dugun on hand. Dhage na ti na ka di na dhage na ti na ka di na dhage na ti na ka di na dha.
Hello everyone, my name is Lekhraj Ramesh Kulle. I am from class 9th A. Today I am going to give some information about Tal Teen Tal. Tal Teen Tal is of 16 matras. It has 4 khandas of 4 matras. On 1st, 5th and 13th matra there is Tali and on 9th matra there is Kal. Tal Teen Tal is used in classical music.
Hello everyone, my name is Uddhav Lalit Jhanwe. I am from class 10th A. Today I am going to present Ganesh Stuti on tabla.
Good morning everyone. Welcome to Tapti Public School New Academy Year 2025-2026. I am Sachi Dilip Sor from class 9B and I am present here to give information of Rag Bhupali. Rag Bhupali, Thaat Kalyan, Varjaswar म और नी, वादी ग, संवादी ध, जाती ओढो ओढो, गान समय रात का प्रथम प्रहर. Thank you.